Today, we will demonstrate how to view and use the sunrise and sunset glance on your compatible Garmin Outdoor Adventure watches. Most Garmin watches offer a sunrise/sunset glance, which provides time information about dawn, sunrise, sunset, and dusk. Some Garmin watches also include enhanced sunrise and sunset information in the glance. The enhanced sunrise/sunset glance includes a map showing the relative position of the sun to you, a graphical representation of how high in the sky the sun will rise, and further details about astronomical and nautical dawn and dusk. In this video, we will show you the enhanced sunrise and sunset glance feature with the Epix Pro. First, we will show you how to add the sunrise/sunset glance to your widget loop. If you already have the glance, please skip ahead. 1. Swipe down. 2. Press and hold the up/menu button. 3. Select Add Glance. 4. Select Sunrise/Sunset Glance. Now that we have set the glance on your widget loop, let's take a look at how to view alternate dates on Sunrise/Sunset Glance. Scroll down and select the Sunrise/Sunset Glance. You'll find a screen displaying sunrise and sunset times for today, along with dawn and dusk times. The circular clock displayed on this screen features a 24-hour format, distinguished by yellow for daytime and blue for nighttime. To view an alternate date, press the Start/Stop button or tap top right of your screen. Select Change Date. Scroll up or down to view alternate dates. To view an alternate location, return to the first screen on the glance. Tap top right again and select Change Location. Here, you can select your location via various options. City Search allows you to search for a city. Saved Locations allows you to select a previously saved location. Use Map allows you to select a location from the map. Coordinates allows you to enter a location's coordinates. Current Location uses your current GPS location. Once you have selected a location, you can scroll through the widget to view additional information for that location. If you'd like to view sun position or height at a different time, scroll down to go to the map or graph screen within the glance. Press Start/Stop button. Select Change Time. Scroll up or down to adjust the time. Note, a flashing question mark on the blue arrow icon indicates that you are indoors. It will disappear when you go outside with a clear view of the sky. On the fourth and last screen, view astronomical and nautical dawn and dusk times, along with day length info. And that's it. You have learned how to view and adjust the enhanced sunrise and sunset glance on your compatible Garmin Adventure watches. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.